Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 5th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we're on the 4 hour time frame. So, on the Euro Yen 4 hour time frame, and like I've been saying the last few days, I think this is possibly an A and this is possibly a B, and I still think there's a good chance that we could start a new downtrend, which on the 4 hour time frame would last quite a while for a wave C of wave 4. The only problem with this analysis is that the weekly is up and the daily is up, which means there's always a possibility that it continues up like that. So definitely be careful with that. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. It looks like a possible one, two, three waves up. If you get a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the downside, it likely would be a nice sorting entry. And hopefully it would go down and make that wave C of wave 4 like I showed on the 4 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.